It's not what it looks like. I opened it up, I squeezed it, and it's one of these from Elizabeth Arden. I got these for free from Influenster for testing purposes. And I accidentally squeezed the thing and I twisted it off and it squirted all over my monitor. Oh Lord, I'm filming right now. Welcome back to my channel, Lulu Live. I'm doing another Influenster Voxbox. This bow is like really tight. It's probably for children, but I didn't know that. When I got it, I have a small head, but this is like really tight. I don't think I'm gonna wear this ever again. But I got an Influencer Voxbox, another one, and it is free for me for testing purposes. I might take this off. It's like really hurting me. I don't know. I'll leave it like this. I'll put it somewhere else. I don't know. Yeah, it's way too tight. I'm getting hot right now. Woo! I went from hot to cold, cold to hot, whatever. Whatever. Maybe I'll put it back in. I don't know. I thought it would be a cute touch. So anyway, I look ridiculous. It's the Elizabeth Arden Vitamin C Ceramide Capsules Radiance Renewal Serum. I feel like I've been getting like one of these every couple weeks now. It's like very frequent. So this is the box that came in packaging. You know, my address is not on here. They're doing it on purpose, I think. So you don't steal anyone's address or come and stalk them without their permission. That's what stalking is. You open up the box and normally it says launch the app, raise your voice, show the world, and please recycle me. I usually reuse boxes and stuff. So this is it. It came with a postcard, which is double-sided. Reese Witherspoon. Hello, Reese. Say hello to Reese. All right. And then it came with this box. I got like it looks like a full-size box of these capsules. I clean my face with the wipe, and that's it. Tissue paper, if you want it for Christmas. So it says vitamin on the and this part of it. I'll read both to you. It's gonna be hard because my glasses are off. It's gonna hurt. Vitamin C Ceramide Capsules Radiance Renewal Serum, 178 times more potent than traditional vitamin C for brighter, even-toned skin. There's an asterisk by skin. I don't know what that means. Powered by Radiance Renewing. Oh my god, my nose. Excuse me, allergies. Powered by Radiance Renewing Vitamin C and Moisture Boosting Ceramides. This dry oil serum works to diminish dullness, fight the appearance of dark spots, which I don't really have, minimize discoloration, okay, and protect against environmental aggressors, oh boy. Encapsulated for freshness, formulated for maximum potency. Get started. Number one, check out your Elizabeth Arden Vitamin C campaign on the Influencer app. I don't think I have it on my new phone yet. I'm gonna have to download it. Where's my phone? I don't even remember my password. It's gonna be a pain in the butt. Let me clean my phone real quick. So I'm using my fingers on my face and how I'm using such a dirty phone. Dirty phone. All right. We want a clean phone. I'm gonna download the Influencer app. Influencer. I don't know. I'm doing that. So I'm downloading the app because I gotta go back in there. Number two, test out your new product! Exclamation point also. Three, review on Influencer and post on Instagram. Well, I posted on TikTok too. Oh well. You must disclose, and I did Instagram too, sort of. You must disclose in all online posts that you received these products free or complimentary for testing purposes. Refer to your badge for instructions. Okay, yeah, sure. And then on the other side, it's Reese Witherspoon. And it says Elizabeth Arden, New York, Vitamin C Ceramide Capsules, Radiance Renewal Serum, 178 times more potent than traditional, I don't know, I'm screaming, vitamin C for brighter, even toned skin. Influencer, Reese Witherspoon, live, live with confidence. X Reese. Okay. Then I have this big box. It's golden, it's beautiful. Which has 30 capsules in total. What does it say? So it says each capsule delivers a powerful daily dose of skin revitalizing ceramides and radiance renewing vitamin C, encapsulated for optimal freshness. Use daily to diminish dullness, even skin tone, and reveal a healthy luminous glow. To open capsules, gently, I don't know. Gently twist tab around twice and squeeze onto fingertips. To use, smooth serum over cleanse face and neck morning and or night before moisturizer, but I would do anyway. Note, keep stored in a closed container in a cool, dry place. Clinically and dermatologist tested. Warning for external use only. Do not ingest. Keep out of reach of children. Blah, blah, blah. Something not English. All right. How do you open this up? Oh, like that. And they give you like a little direction card too, in case you forgot what it said. Can you see this? I don't know. In case you forget what it says. Oh, yes, this is beautiful. Oh my god. Can you see it? Elizabeth Arden. Yes, I am living for this packaging and this look. Elizabeth Arden. Yeah. Oh, I love that. Oh, this looks so good. I just want to eat them. But you don't. Doesn't smell like too much. Alright, so I'm gonna do this. Alright. So you take this little dude and you squeeze it on your finger. Oh my god, I squirted my monitor! I didn't know that was gonna happen. I gotta clean my monitor. Oops. Oh well, I don't care for that thing anyway. I'm not taking it off my monitor, but it's dripping down my monitor. Did I get enough in my hand? I might have to break another one open. I was not expecting that to happen. Lord knows. I think I'm good. Alright. Will I know right away, like, what the difference is? I mean, really? Do you see a difference? It doesn't really smell like much. I hope I don't break out from it. I just want to look like Reese Witherspoon. I don't know what, like, monitor. This is bad. Bad. I should show you what it looks like. One sec. It's not what it looks like. Cannot believe I did that. It's not what it looks like. I opened it up, I squeezed it, and it's one of these from Elizabeth Arden. I got these for free from Influenster for testing purposes. And I accidentally squeezed the thing, I twisted it off, and it squirted all over my monitor. Oh lord, I'm filming right now. It's not what it looks like. It's not what it looks like. I opened it up, I squeezed it, and it's one of these from Elizabeth Arden. I got these for free from Influencer for testing purposes. Okay. So, I don't know. Oh yeah, I wanted to wipe this off. I'm trying to like open up the app on my phone. Well, that's not bad. And I would say that little bit that I left on my finger has really worked well. Alright. Oh, you could do DMs on here now too, Influencer. Okay. I don't know what that face meant, but okay. Okay, let me go. I just want to do my good. I just want to do my campaign. Stop. Oh, where's Elizabeth Arden? Here she is. Swipe to learn more. That will do eventually. Why do they want me to connect my PayPal account? How do you do it? Stop. I received this box. It's not what it looks like. I opened it. That was funny. It said to connect your PayPal, but why? Are they gonna pay me? Is Influencer gonna pay me? I didn't know that. It's my first time doing this. I will have to let you know how I feel. I mean, right now I feel fine, but like I will have to let you know. Have to let you know in a bit if anything goes wrong. We'll leave like a comment thing. Oopsies. Turn the volume off. Leave like a comment or something to let you know how I'm feeling. I mean, I can't tell you what my skin looks like if I can't see it. One sec. Let me put this on the side. Here, Reese, sit over there. Excuse me. I'm not gonna be editing this, I hope you know. What are they doing? Am I looking for my camera? I mean, I look just as good as I always do. My lips are chapped. Reese, you have been misbehaving so badly. Actually, she's been doing better. She was misbehaving so badly. And then I stopped liking her because I was like, girl, you are bad. I guess it looks okay. I don't know. How much better is my skin supposed to look? Oh, what happened? Oh, I hit the wrong button. How do you... Oh. I'm gonna go because this is gonna take too long of me taking selfies. But I'll let you know if I feel anything or if I react bad. Like, I look just as good as I always do, I'd say. I will see you all later. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel here, Lulu Live. And I will see you all soon. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. I know you haven't, because I know you haven't. Ciao. I received this Voxbox from Influenster. It's the Elizabeth Arden Vitamin C Ceramide Capsules Radiance Renewal Serum for free testing purposes.